Hey guys, today we'll be going over some technical analysis. Technical analysis is a technique used by many investors to try and forecast the direction of prices by identifying patterns based on past market data such as price and volume. I often use this in conjunction with my fundamental analysis. After I've determined that I like the stock based on its fundamentals, then I'll take a look at the technical analysis to see what is a good price point to either buy or sell depending if I want to enter or exit a trade. Today, let's take a look at Facebook since its recent moves have made it very interesting. I've already looked at the company's fundamentals and determined that I really liked it, especially now that it's begun to break out of its trading range and has addressed the Apple privacy change issue. So the first thing I like to do is take a look at the overall monthly charts to see how the stock is doing and what direction it is headed. Technical analysis is based on momentum, and thus we always want to follow the upward trend of the stock if we want to go long. So here on a monthly chart, we see that since August, it has been very stagnant, with trading mostly range-bound, peaking at around $300 in August, and since then it's been going back and forth between the $250 and the $290 range. Now recently, it has pushed back up above the $209 level. If it stays above this $290, then I think it will go higher. It has a very nice upward trajectory and has seen a strong buy in the past week. The next level of resistance is at this green line around the $330 level. Next, let's dig deeper and take a look at the weekly data. Here, the price action also looks very good, as it just broke out of its resistance, as shown by this red line. As you can see, this has been a very strong resistance since August. I think we may see a short-term pullback to the red line, which was resistance, but now will be the new support line. Thus, we may see a retest at the $280 level. If it holds, then I think it will be a good buy. But if it doesn't hold, then it would look to retest at this blue support line at around $245. Overall, the weekly chart looks really good on good volume. Next, let's go even deeper and look further into the daily charts. Again, the daily chart also looks good. It has broke out of its trading range and it just barely broke this blue resistance line at 290. There was also very good volume buying. However, we need to see if it holds above this level, and if it pulls back, it needs to hold this 283 level, which is around where we confirmed it with the weekly chart. Overall, I like Facebook on a fundamental level, and now the techno charts are also indicating a potential buy. We just want to see if there's a pullback this week, and if it holds the support, then I would love to buy immediately. Alternatively, if it breaks higher and stays above this 290 level on a weekly time frame, I can also see it being a good buy. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if there's a stock that you want me to do a quick analysis, please leave a comment below. I'm not an expert on technical analysis, but I'll give you my opinion on it. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.